You're in the club. I am Sushant Mehta, back with the best from the world of entertainment. This is where the magic happens. And first up, a special quarantine comedy session with Raju Ki Mummy and Billy Masi, also known as Dolly Singh and Kusha Kapila. Have a look. And Dolly Singh, well, I have to say, ladies, I'm a fan of your sketches. So welcome to the show first up. And how's the lockdown treating both of you?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having us. Dolly, you go first.
The lockdown has been great so far. I think it's great thing is that we are busy. I think we have found more work during the lockdown, which is both good and bad. But I like it, keeps my head off of things, so I'm enjoying it.
Yeah, I agree with everything that Dolly has said, and just adding on to that is that we hadn't gotten this kind of time to reflect on the content we do and to try out new things. So weirdly, it has been a blessing in disguise, and Dolly and I think we both are trying to make the most of it.
You've had a fantastic partnership. Where did it all begin from? How did you do sketches creatively? Because it seems like a lot of fun. You're like a house on fire, both of you.
Go, Kusha.
I think, and I don't know if I'm speaking for Dolly also, but I think I am, because we're like such good friends, and I feel like she also feels this way. These characters, I think, just come to us because I think we've lived these people, we've known these people, and I'm sure genuinely with me, I'll have these floating thoughts in my head, and I'll be like, oh, this is funny, or that is funny, or this is super relatable, or that is super relatable, or let me just do it. And I just end up doing it the next day. So a lot of it is written, scripted, a lot of it is actually improv. So it comes super organically is what I'd like to say.
Dolly, for you?
To answer your first part of the question was that Kusha and I were working with IDIVA together, and that's how we came into being and we started. The characters, pretty much piece of life and people we meet have met sometime in our life and have, they've stayed on in our lives or in our heads somehow. So that's what comes across as characters later on.
Okay, so Dolly, which is your favorite character that Kusha does? And same question to you, Kusha.
My favorite character of Kusha's is definitely Billy Masi.
Okay.
She is so aspirational, problematic but aspirational. She leads a life that we would want to at some point lead, and she's unapologetic, which is how everyone I think wants to be.
Yeah, and Kusha, for you? Your favorite character that Dolly does?
It's a tie between two characters. Definitely Raju Ki Mummy. But I feel like what she's doing with Goody Bhabhi is the character that I know that's completely created on her own, in her house. It's in her mind. So I feel like that character is so beautiful. It is so layered. So I just absolutely love it.
You have to give us a glimpse. So how would Raju Ki Mummy react to the lockdown? And same for you. How would the Masi react to the lockdown? Starting with you, Dolly.
Okay. So Raju Ki Mummy doesn't wear these kind of clothes, okay? So I'm just going to cover my head with my hands.
Okay.
हाँ, इतना हम परेशान हो गए हैं। राजू और राजू के पापा पूरा दिन पड़े रहते हैं, खाते रहते हैं। इनके बस फरमाइशें जो है हम पूरी करते रहते हैं। हम चक्कर की तरह घूम रहे हैं, इधर से इधर, इधर से इधर, इधर से इधर। काम हमारा जो है ट्रिपल हो गया है इस टाइम पे जो है। लॉकडाउन में हम डबल लॉक हो गए हैं, डबल लॉक। हाँ।
Okay. And now to you, Kusha.
I'm gonna do Billy Masi. I have some shades here, and she's basically like,
nice.
1, 2, 3 रियाज। वैसे तो मेरे आवाज की भजन बजते हैं लोटस टेम्पल में, पर अभी लोटस टेम्पल बंद किया हुआ है। बाकी बिल्ली को लॉकडाउन से फर्क नहीं पड़ता। बिल्ली 1 चोर बाग में रहती है, जहां पर उसका अभी डिवोर्स चल रहा है, 5वां हस्बैंड। बट कुछ नहीं होता। बिल्ली का मटन रान वैसा ही है, बिल्ली के मिजाज वैसे ही हैं, बिल्ली की बातें ही वैसे हैं। और लॉकडाउन में बस ये प्रॉब्लम हुआ है कि बिल्ली अपने प्लास्टिक सर्जन के पास नहीं जा पा रही है, बट इट्स ओके, दैट्स फाइन। बाद में करा लूंगी। फिलहाल कोको, मेरी ग्रीन टी लेकर आओ बेटा। शिवा हम Thank you.
Keep the classes on, because it's amazing. Both of you are nothing like these characters, but you do them so well. I want to have a conversation between You know, the Masi and Raju ki mummy. Can we see that?
Oh,
So we'll take both of you on
this-
screen. Yeah, so Dolly, you just go for it. Go for it. Just go crazy.
You know,
with
it
it.
never happened, okay?
It has never happened. Everyone has been asking for this, okay? Every single person, and just Dolly and I have just never done it because we think they're
Thank you so much,
different.
Kusha. I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Let's see it, guys. Let's see it, ladies. Come on.
Okay, I'm going to start.
Dolly, take the lead.
आपका एक मुझे समझ में नहीं आता, आपका नाम बिल्ली किसने रख दिया? मतलब थोड़ा अजीब सा है, जानवर के नाम पे आपका नाम पड़ गया है।
देखिए आपका नाम राजू की मम्मी, आप मुझे ये बताइए, मैं तो बिल्ली हूँ पर आप चिड़िया की तरह चींचें क्यों कर रही हैं? हाँ, आप एकदम इतने हाई ऑक्टेव में क्यों बात कर रही हैं?
जी मैं आपकी कमी पूरी कर रही हूँ ना, आपकी आवाज तो पहुंच ही नहीं रही हम तक। इतने लो ऑक्टेव में का आपकी आवाज है।
अरे क्या बताएं, लॉकडाउन में राजू की मम्मी, मैंने सोचा कि थोड़ा टेक्नोलॉजी हमारा साथ देगी, पर यहाँ तो इंसान ही साथ नहीं दे रहे, टेक्नोलॉजी कहाँ ही देगी साथ है
ये
राजू
बात
की
तो आपने
मम्मी।
बिल्कुल सही कही बहन जी। हमारा जो पति है बिल्कुल निकम्मा, नाकारा, एकदम नालायक जो है। हमने 3 N वाले वर्ड बोल दिए, बिल्कुल ऐसा ही है। मैंने सोचा है कि हम कविता भी लिखेंगे, आप हमारी मदद करिएगा। आपके तो 5 रह चुके
हाँ
हैं,
जी,
तो
हाँ,
जरा आप भी
आप
हमारी
तो
हेल्प
जानते
कर
हैं कि
दीजिएगा।
कितने प्रसिद्ध हम काफी अच्छा गाना गाते हैं, तो मैं पहले रियाज कर लूं। 1 2 3 रियाज। और मैं आपको यही बोलना चाहूंगी कि मेरे पति भी ऐसे थे, इसलिए मैंने उनसे छुटकारा पा दिया। मैंने बोला गेट आउट, जस्ट गेट, दफा हो जाओ, तो मैंने उन्हें दफा कर दिया। आप अपनी कविता सुनाएं प्लीज।
जी अभी लिखी नहीं है, आपकी हेल्प चाहिए थी जरा कोलैबोरेट करने के लिए। मैंने सोचा कि
अच्छा,
आपके यहाँ
कोलैबोरेट
थोड़ी-
करेंगे।
हाँ जी,
अच्छा, तो आप पहली लाइन बोलें कि मैं पहली लाइन बोलूं?
नहीं आप ही बोल दीजिए।
हम पे डाल रहे हैं, हम पे डाल रहे हैं ताकि हमको आप थोड़े मुश्किल वाली पोजीशन में। राजू की मम्मी, मैं देख रही हूँ आपके सारे टैक्टिक्स। सबसे पहले, पति हमारा बिल्कुल निकम्मा।
हाँ हाँ, हाय हाय। करिए करिए, आगे करिए बिल्ली मासी।
काम नहीं कुछ करता ढंग का,
हाय 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 हाय।
इसलिए हमने उनको कर दिया दफा।
हाय हाय हाय।
आपने कुछ ढंग का नहीं कहा। मम्मी कुछ तो करिए।
अरे हम तो मदद करने आए थे। चलिए कोई नहीं है, हम लिख लेंगे, हम करा लेंगे। क्या कह रही है बिल्ली मासी?
आप तो कोरस करने आ गई, कवाली करने, पर ठीक है, जहां पर मैं जाती हूँ लीड सिंगर मैं ही होती हूँ और पीछे थोड़े बैकग्राउंड डांसर्स होते हैं। दैट्स ओके।
हाँ हमारे यहाँ जो है सारी कविताएं ऐसे हाय हाय करके बहुत हम लोग गाते हैं, बड़ा मजा आता है। हम पूरे जिंदगी के जितने दुख होते हैं ना, सब रो लेते हैं ऐसे करके।
Amazing. Okay, tell me both of you, what have you observed about this lockdown? I mean, there's a lot of talk about how we've handled the situation. As a country, as a society, your thoughts on how we've handled this pandemic?
How India has handled it.
Yeah.
I feel like important issues are coming to the fore. I see it on social media. People are willing to talk about things that really need a lot of help. But other than that, India is a very, very diverse country with so many different voices. So I'm seeing a lot of different content. And जो लोग इससे पहले content नहीं बना रहे थे, वो लोग content बनाना शुरू कर रहे हैं.
I mean, as a country, if we really talk about this, I think we have both good and bad things going on. We are definitely under a countrywide lockdown for the longest time, and that's great. But then obviously there are people who are suffering, and we cannot, turn a blind eye towards them. And thankfully, like Kusha said, on social media, we are definitely talking about it. We are definitely raising a voice, or trying to at least bring it to the forefront. So it's great in that sense. And when it comes to content, for sure, I see so many people making content, and trust me, a lot of it is so good.
Yeah.
Like, people have really found a voice, and that's amazing for me. I just hope that everybody is inside and is safe. I think that's the need of the hour, and we will deliver the entertainment whenever we can and however we can.
Okay, ladies, let's do a quick rapid fire before I let you go. So starting with you, Dolly and Kusha, then you have to answer, okay? Your biggest fear Dolly.
Loneliness.
Kusha?
Darkness. I have a very physical reaction to it.
Darkness. Okay, your first love. Dolly.
Dogs.
No. First love as in a guy. Romantic relationship. When was it? Who was it?
I'm not comfortable saying that.
Acha, when was it?
12th standard.
12th, huh? Okay.
Yeah.
Kusha, for you?
It was in the 6th standard.
6th standard. Very good.
Yes.
Who would you like to be locked down with? Dolly.
Oh, my dog. I mean, if I can only choose one.
Okay. And Kusha?
I am locked down with the person I would want to be locked down with, who is my partner. So I would stick to that because trust me, if there's anyone else, I'll be like, get off my back.
Okay.
So I'm happy I'm with my partner.
Okay, now starting with you, Kusha. Your favorite food? Favorite cuisine?
Kusha? Or
Yeah.
Dolly? Okay, me. My South Indian. That's my favorite
South
cuisine.
Indian. Dolly?
Yeah, overall Indian cuisine is my favorite. Comfort, dal chawal, rajma chawal, everything.
Okay. Kusha, your favorite ice cream flavor?
My favorite ice cream flavor would be blueberry.
Dolly?
Sitafal or
Sitafal.
vanilla.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm gonna change my answer. It's Sitafal.
Okay. Kusha, if you could go out on a date with someone, who would it be?
What?
Who would it be?
Yeah. A
If
date.
I could go out on a
Dream date.
with somebody.
Yeah.
Dream date.
Yeah.
Oh no, I really want to answer this well. I think I would love John Cusack. I just
John
want to
Cusack.
like
Wow.
know that.
Okay. Dolly, for you?
Raju ki mummies only love Leonardo DiCaprio.
Leonardo DiCaprio.
Oh yes.
Okay. Now, for you, Dolly, first. What do you dream of?
A nice house for my parents.
Nice house for them, okay?
Yeah.
Kusha?
Well, if you ask me right now in this moment, I dream of a kinder world. Really, this is a very like Miss India answer, but I really dream for some more kindness in this world.
Good,
That's
good,
very
good.
true.
Okay, last section is if you woke up as, okay? If
Okay.
you woke up as Prime Minister Narendra Modi, what is the first thing you will do?
I will hold a press conference. I will hold a press conference and
You'll
like
hold a press
talk
conference.
to a lot of people. Yeah.
Okay, for you, Dolly, Kangana Ranaut,
I would apologize.
apologize, okay? Kusha,
Yeah.
Kangana,
Meditate.
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 Okay, starting from you, Kusha now. Salman Khan, if you woke up as Salman,
I would release another song on YouTube.
Another
'Cause
song
that's
on
what
YouTube.
vibes me.
fastest 2 million likes. Okay, for you, Dolly, Salman Khan,
Again, apologize.
apologize. Okay. Kusha, Virat Kohli, if you woke up as Virat Kohli,
If I woke up as Virat Kohli, I would. What would I do? What would I do? What would I? I don't know. I would
Nothing, huh?
just. I would chill, dude.
Chill,
It's
huh?
a chill life. I have the best house ever. I'm just
Okay.
gonna be like whatever.
Dolly,
Change my hairstyle.
change your hairstyle. Okay, Anushka just
Yeah.
gave him a haircut, so yeah. Okay, Anushka has to do better then. Okay, final one for you, Dolly. First, Priyanka
Yeah.
Chopra. If you woke up as Priyanka,
Tone down my accent.
tone down your accent. Okay, Kusha.
I'll be like, I'm feeling so exotic.
Okay, finally to both of you, your favorite stand-up comedians. Who are your favorites?
Who's my
Hey, hard.
not favorite. A favorite at the moment would be Hannah Badgley for sure because
Okay.
she
Yeah.
just released her stand-up special on Netflix, and I'm a
Same.
big fan of Nanette. From the Indian landscape, it will have to be. I really like Prashasti's voice. I love Shrija. So there are a lot of younger voices that are coming that I really like.
Dolly?
Actually, she kind of said all the things that I like. I mean, Hannah is great. And then obviously our girls in stand-up, all of them are amazing.
I'm going to let both of you go now, but finally, since I am from
Yeah.
South Delhi, born and brought up,
Okay.
and I love your, all your sketches on South Delhi. So give us a flavor of South Delhi in your own unique styles, and then we're going to let you go. Both of you.
Kusha, go.
शनाए मेरा प्राइवेट जेट खड़े खड़े बिल्कुल उदास लग रहा है. What should we do, शनाए?
I don't know, girl. I mean, मेरी तो इतनी हालत खराब हो गई है कि मैंने Starbucks नहीं देखी for like the past 2 months. Sunita, उसका bucket निकालो. What do you mean भर
Oh
गया
my
है खाली करके?
Guruji, मेरे गुरुजी ने बोला था कि 2020 it's going to be my year, but it's not looking like it. So please, Guruji, let 2021 be my year. Shiva Shiva hum, please.
That
भगवान तुम्हारी
It
भली
feels
करे
so wrong.
ना.
It feels so wrong to do these characters in this lockdown and in this pandemic.
I have to tell you that Guruji reference is bang on. It's totally legit. Okay, thank you, ladies, and more power to you. Keep entertaining us and keep up the good work. Thank you so much for joining
Thank
us.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.